Hey there everybody, I just got this F180 drone multifunction aircraft. This has a 4.5-inch screen on the remote control itself, so now you do not have to hook your cell phone up to it to be able to see the camera footage. So let's open this thing up and see what it comes with. All right, it comes with a nice carrying case. Inside the carrying case, we've got our drone itself. It does come with one battery, and this here is the infrared sensor that goes on the top of the drone. This is your remote. It comes with a USB Type-C cable connector. It comes with an instruction manual, and it also comes with a 4 GB memory card, as well as a thumb drive adapter and multiple propeller blade replacements. So I highly recommend that you read this prior to trying to fly this. I've already charged it up using this cable. It does recommend that you get a 5-volt 2-amp charging device to charge your remote, because it does have its own internal battery, as well as charging your drone. So this is the remote itself. These are your joysticks. Right here, you're able to remove your thumb adapters. All right, so I wanted to go over the remote real quick. You got your on and off switch here. This here is how you control your speed. Push it up, it rotates, it's got a spring. So slow down the speed, speed up the speed. This here, you will change the angle of the camera, so where it's looking while you're flying, all you have to do is control it like that. This first button right here is your geomagnetic calibration. This is your gyro calibration right here. This button right here is a 1-key unlock, 1-key takeoff, and also an emergency stop if you hold it down. This here is your photography button. This one right here is your video button. And this here is your screen switch button. You have your headless mode. If you short press it or long press it, it'll switch to GPS mode. This is your obstacle avoidance mode, and that's what this is that attaches to the top of your drone. This here is your 1-key return, so this will automatically return it home. This is your exit playback mode. This is your confirmation button. This is your entering playback mode button right here. So that's what the remote does. Real quick, to install your optical avoidance feature, you just have to take this cover off right here, and then get the camera system right here. And then there are some prongs here. Make sure you line those up, and all you have to do is clip that in. You want to make sure you do that when your drone is powered off. Don't do it while it's on. If you need to take it back out, all you have to do is pinch the sides and it'll come back out. To install your battery, all you have to do is switch it just like this. Battery's installed. If you'd like to install your memory card into your drone, it goes in right here. You also have a memory card slot on your remote control itself. So I'm going to put the memory card in on the remote, just like that. And just like that, it's already connected. It does take about 14 seconds for it to connect. All right, so all you have to do is power this on, then you turn your drone on by pressing this power button right here. It's gonna beep a couple times. I'm gonna show you how simple it is to calibrate this. So you can already see it's connected. You can see the camera is showing this. So the first thing you're gonna do is press this button here. This is gonna blink fast a few times and it's gonna stop. So it's kind of hard to see because it's so light out here, but it's already done. And now the next thing that you do is hold down this button, and it is going to tell you that you need to pick it up and spin it 360 degrees. Set this down, pick this up, and I'm going to spin it. And now it tells you got to point it up and spin it. And now its GPS is calibrated. So now that's good to go. Now I'm going to connect the app to it. All right, so now you can see that the drone and the camera controller are showing the same picture. All right, so now all you have to do is pull your pull your controllers out. I was really impressed with how fast and how high this went. So I think that's about as high as it'll go. Nope, it keeps going higher. This here is footage recorded from the drone using the app. And so I was able to get 4K footage from this. And you can see I'm just controlling you can control the camera right here so you can look down. It's got a pretty wide view. Now it's looking straight down. Utilizing the app, you do have the option of follow me, fly in this path, and you can set different pinpoints up that the drone will fly in a pattern. You can also tell it to circle an object, and so it'll fly around in a circle and just film. And so I really like that. It's pretty cool, and I'm really impressed with the video quality.